one day, so I tried to join in on the Sprunki song. What was that?
Bruh. Singing. That was hot. And it was so bad.
All right. What are you?
Emotional damage.
Well, you're alive by the end.
Bruh.
Emotional damage.
Linda was the only person. Everybody.
I'm getting. They call me. Makes sense.
Emotional damage. Emotional damage.
I merely
Emotional damage.
Yes, release the anger within.
Sprunki must fall.
Now I'm using my genius computer brain to bend the hat.
What did he do?
And Wenda, my dear, what happened to you? You lost your power.
Killing is not my power. My power is friendship. And you took that from me.
And I'll do it again. Be so sure of that, little one. There, we have to. Won't you come back to my side? The dark side.
Never again.
Well, unfortunately, you don't get much of a choice.
Only one way to defeat him.